This video covers the Barchart Screeners. Screeners automate the task of sifting through mountains of information by allowing you to enter your specific investment criteria and then view the results in just seconds. Screeners help you find stocks, ETFs, Forex, commodities, funds, and sectors that match your trading objectives. All screeners are grouped together in the My Barchart tab. The premise behind using a screener is to apply filters that will narrow down the data for your review. Filters for stocks will include different types of searchable information than those for other symbols. For example, stocks have fundamental data like market cap and revenue that Forex and commodity contracts do not. Let's look at the stock screener. The top part of the page displays filters already added with an area where you can add additional filters, up to 10. The bottom part of the page is where you will see the symbols found by those filters. The stock screener initially selects only U.S. equities and includes OTC stocks. To include indices, ETFs, or non-SIC stocks, use the checkboxes at the top of the page. Every new screener starts with the last price filter added as a default. When you add a filter, that data value appears in the results list below. Depending on the filter, you will be presented with additional screening options. The last price filter lets you screen based on a value or on a field. As you see here, I can use the slider to change the range of last prices, or I can manually enter the upper and lower values myself. As you define the filter, Barchart instantly searches the database, shows you the total matching results, and returns symbols that match your criteria in the results table at the bottom. The last price filter can also be compared to another field. The screener allows you to select the operator and the field on which to compare. The results table is instantly updated. Now let's look at the filters. You'll start by choosing a general category, then narrow down your choice from there. Once you find the filter, click the Add button and it's moved to the top of the page. Use the filter options to narrow your search. As you do, the screener results are shown at the bottom. The screener uses the most current data available, so each time you update the results, you may see the list of the stocks change due to the changing market conditions. The filters area contains a Show checkbox. You'll notice that a column is added to the results table to display the data for each filter. You can change or uncheck these boxes to show or hide the data from the results table. You can also use the red X to delete any filter you've applied. Remember, a maximum of 10 filters can be added to any one screener. The results table shows the first 50 symbols, with paging options at the bottom of the table. Results are sorted by symbol, but you can always change that by clicking the column heading you wish to sort by. Click the column heading again to reverse the sort. Now that we have a manageable number of stocks for review, let me point out a few more things about the screener. You hide the filters by clicking this link. and display them again if you want to add more filters. You can save the first 250 symbols shown in the results table to a new portfolio. If you have more than 250 results, you may want to refine your filters, or sort the symbols in order of importance before saving to the portfolio. You can remove the symbol name from the results table by using the checkbox provided. And you can switch the views for the results table between the filter view, the main quote view, the technical, performance, or any custom view you may have already set up in your Barchart account. You can also view flip charts of the results, or download the first 250 symbols shown, along with the column heading for the current view, to Excel. If you just want to start over, click the Start a New Screener link. And if you want to save the screener so you can run it another time, click the Save Screener link. We'll show you all of your screeners on the Saved Screeners page, where you can change the screener name, add notes, delete it, or view it again. We've also included some sample screeners. These sample screeners are a good place to start your search or practice using the filters, as they contain detailed notes. Remember, every time you access the screener, it's possible you will see new results based on the most current data available. Once you have saved a screener, you do not have to save it again, even if the results have changed, unless you change the filter criteria. When you alter the screener, you have the option to replace your saved screener or save it as a new screener. I'm going to save this as a new screener, which keeps the original filters intact and saves a brand new screener with the revised filters. Create as many screeners as you want and continue to refine them to find new trading opportunities. I want to point out one last powerful feature of the Barchart Screeners. Your Barchart account allows you to set up portfolios of symbols you've bought or sold, or simply a watch list of symbols you choose to follow. Each screener contains a portfolio filter which allows you to pull in the symbols you've set up in a specific portfolio. Once you do, you may add filters to those symbols to screen for specific market opportunities. That's it for now. Look for the help links on the site and check out our Facebook page for more training videos.